Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy Kitchen. Today we are going to make superfood energy bites. Lemon strawberry. Let's get started. First we need to add the strawberry. We pick those fresh locally. Now we need to squeeze the lemon juice. Gotta use your muscles. They're nice and juicy. Now we need to add the dates to sweeten. I love dates. And now the special ingredients. Oliveda I-47. We're gonna add half a bottle. This is pure ground olive leaf. It's antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It's good for your immune system. If you eat the powder plain, it's bitter. That's why I'm making energy bites with it. We're gonna use organic sprouted raw oats. Next, we're gonna add coconuts. Now we blend. Now we taste test. I like this. It tastes like cake. Bye. Enjoy.